there's definitely, oh my god, Pete almost knocked my camera off. Pete, Jesus, no. Hello there. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I'm really glad that you're here today, or this evening, or night, whatever time it is for you. I'm glad you're here. But hello everyone, I'm very excited because today I'm going to be putting together my little customized, what do they call it, BYOP, build your own palette, Colourpop palette. So if you didn't know, when you go on Colourpop's page, you can do a 9-pan, a small, or a large palette, and I believe it's $18, $24, and $45. You can add a number of shades in it. They used to say that you could like add a face like palette or shade in. I don't know if they do that anymore. It kind of changes from time to time. So this is not sponsored, although Colourpop, I love you. That'd be cool. Maybe someday. Anywho, these are just some shadows that I picked out and I wanted to share with you all. I got the 9-pan palette. You can pick the palette after you pick out your shades. I just think this is really cute. It doesn't have a mirror, and I think that's what keeps the price so low. But I have my 9 shades here. I have 3 matte, 3 pressed glitters, which I've never used before. And then I have some metallics and one with little shimmer in it. So I just kind of want to get into it, and I want to talk on this for just a brief moment because I think Colourpop is really great. I love their eyeshadows and their lip liners and lip products. You know, you already know that about me probably. But this is just something fun to do, and 18 bucks for a 9 shade palette that I pick out. I'm a sucker for it. I've done this quite a few times. So anyway, if you would like to see the shades that I got and kind of watch me put it on my eyes, on my eyelids, please keep watching. Alright, so I feel like I just kind of want to explain how this goes. You pick it out on their site. They have lots of options. My only gripe with this is that sometimes the shades that they offer now change. Like I will be like, oh yeah, I love this one shade, I've had it for so long, and I'll go on their site, it's no longer available. Colourpop, if you know, kind of does that with a couple of their products, like their lip products. They don't always keep them around. It feels very like fast fashion of makeup, which is kind of upsetting. But for the price, the affordability, amazing. So I got 9 shades, shadows and glitters. And then when you get them, they come in this little sleeve, this little cardboard sleeve, which you can recycle, which I love. And then when you pull it out, it comes in this. And the actual shadow is 1.5 grams, which I believe is pretty standard for eyeshadow. They're circular, so they're great. I don't know, I love them. And maybe these are just a touch bigger than like the Anastasia ones, I think. But anywho, and then you just pop them in this palette, and there you go. So I will show you. The first shade that I have here is Laguna, and it's a matte. I'm not gonna do an up close of every one of these because I feel like it will be kind of boring. I'm just gonna put them in the palette and then kind of do a close-up shot of that because I feel like that would show them best, and then I'll put the names on them and all that jazz. So I'm gonna just pop these in here. Laguna is very much reminiscent of a burnt orange or an orange soda from Anastasia. I love those shades. I'm gonna keep these on the side to recycle them. The next shade that I have is I Owe You, like I owe you, and this is pretty similar to the Laguna. So it's another orange. If you know me, I wear a lot of orange shadows. Actually, those are very similar. Courtney. Oh well, I know I'm going to use those up all the way. I've gone through a lot of orange soda from Anastasia, so I'm not too worried about it. This next one is called Conundrum. It's like a cool tone brown. I really like this one. Or it's kind of warm, I guess. It's that like fawn type of shade. I love that. Oh yeah, these look cute together. That is I saw myself. I like these too, because then if you get in like the mood for like a color for palette and you have like a specific color that you don't have one of, you can go on and just pop it in your palette, and there you go. It's pretty neat. All right, the next one is Thank You Next. This shade is gorgeous. I am gonna do a close up on this one. Look at that. So pretty. Holy moly. It's coming along nicely. And then I have this pink color, which I don't know what made me do this. It is Take a Sip. It's a matte, but it has shimmer in it, and it is bright like this. Pink will probably stain my lids, but that's okay. Whoa. There you go. You're gonna be in the middle. And then this one, Not Okay Metallic. Oh boy, this looks so pretty. This is definitely my type of like copper. This makes me think of Wine from Anastasia. I really like that one. I think it's Wine. I'm gonna hurry because I feel like I'm wasting time. All right, now on with the glitters. pressed glitters. And the packaging for these is a little bit different. I think that's kind of cool. The first one that I have is Fab glitters. I've never tried these. Ooh, these look cool. Whoa, that is cool. All right, and then I got Hungry Ghost, because this was a pressed glitter I've looked at for a while. And I know it's in a couple other palettes, but whoa, these, holy crap. Here's the thing, I want to touch it. Is that gonna, see, these have like self-adhesive stuff in them. It says to apply with your finger. Holy, do you see that? That is intense. And that is, oh, I'm excited about that. But I'm scared because like, what if that goes in my eyeball and then, I don't know. I'm assuming that these are safe for the immediate eye area. I tried to look online to see if it said like, hey, don't put this on your eyelid, but I didn't see that. And now the final shade is the last pressed glitter that I got, and it is called Tequila Sunrise. Ooh. Oh yeah, baby. Let's watch this one too, because I feel like it. Yeah, so it feels definitely like a glitter, but it definitely, whatever adhesive type of self-adhering thing that they have in there kind of makes it feel like squishy. Okay, so I'm gonna put you in the palette. Oh, that looks cute. Put this on my hand. Holy crap. Okay, so Hungry Ghost Tequila Sunrise. I don't know if you can really see. Gorgeous. Cool. So I'm gonna wipe off some of this glitter. Oh crap, there's gonna be glitter everywhere now. Oh well. Alright, so this is what my palette looks like, and here we go. It's pretty cute. I'm excited about this. I probably have colors like this, but that's okay. I just love how these look. They're so fun, and I like rearranging them. Of course, I have other single shadows that I can pop in and out of this palette. And I like the size. I like that this is very like handy dandy notebook. Take this with you when you travel. It's small enough, but it's also not too small. I don't know, I really like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use them now. So here is just another little close-up of the shades and the glitters. Lovely. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Laguna first on just a fluffy brush. I've already primed my eyes. I used the Urban Decay Primer Potion and Anti-Aging. Oh, whoa. Okay, so maybe I used a little too much. This is a classic everyday color for me. Then I start in my crease and kind of just blend it upwards. This brush is not my favorite, but just keep blending. And whatever I do on this eye, I'm gonna do on the other eye. I'm not doing like two different colored eyes today. Blend these out. It's kind of messy right now, but I think this had more pigment than I thought that it would, so that's kind of on me. But that's all right. Same shade Laguna on lower lash line. I'm gonna take it all the way over. Oh yeah. Yep, this color I'm gonna use up all the way rapidly, I feel like. Cute. Now I'm going to take a little bit of that Conundrum color, which looks more like a contour type of shade. So that's this one right here, and I'm going to take a little bit of it and just put it in the crease. This one also looks like it's going to be more pigmented than I think. I don't know, Colourpop shadows are great. I'm just going to take a little bit, build it as I go. It's a rather fluffy crease brush too, so it's not too precise. Just to give the eye some depth. Look at that. Lovely. Ooh. Yep, this shade is gonna be used up for sure. Just kind of gonna do like a classic Courtney type of eye makeup look to try these out. And as usual, just blending, blending, blending. Now at this point, I'm like, I'm gonna use a metallic and then I'm gonna use a glitter, I think. Just because the Not Okay shade really is just like one of those shades that I know, again, it's gonna look exactly like how I want it to. Words aren't coming out of my mouth, right? But, so I'm gonna use this metallic one, this Not Okay shade. Pretty. And I'm gonna pack it on a brush and just put it on my lid. And I already, I'm so excited, okay. Oh yeah. Look at that, perfect copper. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted this color to be. So pleased. Oh, it feels so smooth too. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I'm gonna take that metallic as well, and I'm gonna put a little bit on the lower lash line just out here in the corner, just to kind of connect this here, right here, up. And then now I'm left with which glitter I want to use. This is not going to be a really complicated look. I do want to use the glitter though. Okay, let's swatch the Fab one. Oh, that has like pinks and greens in it. Wow. Okay, so they're kind of similar. Hungry Ghost, Tequila Sunrise, Fab. Ignore the rest of the eyeshadow on my hand. Is it gonna focus? Yeah. So see how they just, the shift really sets them apart. I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna go with Tequila Sunrise. No, I'm gonna put a tiny bit of Hungry Ghost on the center of my lid. Again, because this glitter kind of scares me, I'm not really gonna go in crazy because I'm scared. This brush is dirty. You know what though, this is the only brush that I have that's precise enough for this activity and I'm scared. So I'm gonna use the brush first. It is kind of like, it's moving in the pan, but let's just see. So I'm gonna put it like right, press it. So hopefully, oh. Jeez. That's easy. Okay, the glitter adhesive and then like using a glitter is a pain. This is so easy, holy crap. Okay, I maybe put too much on. I put too much on, I think. But look at that, wow. How exciting. All right, same with the other eye. Let me try to just use my finger on this one. I feel like I'm shoving my brush into this pan. Okay. Please stay put. I'll leave in the description or in a comment or something how this wears, like if I feel like this goes in. Oh, I hope this doesn't wreck my eyes. Wow, okay, so I put too much on. I feel like it's really layering well though, so that's a good sign, but it feels like it's really stuck on there. Let's see. Yeah, like it's not coming up when I put like a clean finger on it. So that's good, right? Very cool. What do we think? Cool, all right. There's glitter everywhere. Awesome. There is a little fallout, I think, with the, when I use my brush, you can see here on the, oops, I just put glitter on my face. But that's a, okay. I'm gonna go ahead, clean up the glitter that's fallen down, and then do the rest of my eyes. I'm just gonna put on some liner, mascara, do the rest of my face, because this video isn't really about all that other stuff. But these eyeshadows, I knew I would like them, so I'm not surprised. But again, the fact that I can just customize this and just take this with me, I'm gonna shut up now, okay. All right, so I'll be right back when everything is more put together. I have fully just accepted the fact that there's gonna be glitter everywhere for the rest of time now. All right, anyway, I'm back. Obviously, my makeup is finished. I didn't have any more continual fallout from the glitter, but there's definitely, oh my God, Pete almost knocked my camera off. Pete, Jesus, no. Anyway, so this is it. This is the finished look. If you're curious about anything that I have on my face, I will leave it in the description box as usual. And yeah, I don't know, I just thought it would be kind of fun to walk through my little customized build your own palette situation. I really like these. Again, this is not sponsored. It'd be cool though if it was. Colourpop. Anyway, I'm really feeling that glitter. It scares me. I'm gonna be leaving this palette on top of my little desk situation here because I know I'm gonna use these daily, especially their mattes. I like them, I love the price, it's fun. That's all. If you haven't already, please subscribe, it really helps me out. If you like this video, also give it a thumbs up. If you're feeling good, if you're not feeling good, that's okay too. You can leave a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you are doing well, taking care of yourselves, also being kind to others. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!